Have you ever felt like you're stuck in a rut? Like you're capable of so much more but just can't seem to break free? Like there's a fire inside you but it's buried under layers of doubt, fear, and procrastination? That was me a few years ago. I was going through the motions, letting life happen to me instead of designing it. But then I woke up. I realized that I was in control, that I had the power to change my story. And that's what I want to share with you today. This isn't about some magic pill or overnight success. This is about igniting the fire within you, about taking control and transforming your life in the next 6 months. Are you ready? Let's do this. The first step to massive change is getting crystal clear about what you want. This clarity acts as a guiding star, illuminating your path and helping you navigate through life's complexities. It's not enough to say, I want to be happier, or I want more money. Vague desires lead to vague results. That's like setting sail without a destination. You'll just drift aimlessly. You need laser focus. Without a clear target, your efforts will be scattered and ineffective. You need to define your goals with absolute clarity. This means being specific about what you want to achieve and why it matters to you. Instead of, I want to be happier, ask yourself, what does happiness look like to me? Is it spending more time with loved ones, pursuing a passion, or achieving a work-life balance? What specific areas of my life do I want to improve? Identify the key aspects that will make the most significant impact on your overall well-being. Instead of I want more money, ask how much money do I want to make and by when? Set a clear financial target and a realistic timeline. What will I do with that money? Write down your goals. Will it be for travel, education, or investing in a business? Be detailed. Make them specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This SMART framework ensures your goals are actionable and trackable. This isn't just about setting goals, it's about creating a vision for your future that excites you, that pulls you forward. A compelling vision will keep you motivated even when the going gets tough. When you're crystal clear about what you want, your brain will find ways to make it happen. It will start working on solutions and strategies, often subconsciously. You'll start noticing opportunities you never saw before. Your heightened awareness will help you seize these opportunities and turn them into stepping stones toward your goals. You'll be more motivated, more disciplined, and more likely to push through challenges. Obstacles will become mere detours rather than dead ends. Remember, clarity breeds focus, and focus fuels results. The sharper your focus, the more powerful your actions will be. So, take out your journal right now and write down your top 3 goals for the next 6 months. Be specific, be bold, and don't hold back. Your future self will thank you for the clarity and direction you create today. Be specific, be bold, and don't hold back. You've heard the saying, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Well, it's true. The people around you have a profound impact on your thoughts, beliefs, and actions. They shape your mindset and influence your decisions, often in ways you might not even realize. Take a close look at your circle. Are they supportive of your dreams, or do they drag you down with negativity and doubt? Do they encourage you to take risks and pursue your passions, or do they instill fear and hesitation? Do they inspire you to be better, or do they keep you stuck in your comfort zone? Are they pushing you to grow, or are they content with mediocrity? If you want to transform your life, you need to surround yourself with people who elevate you, who challenge you to grow, and who celebrate your successes. These are the people who will help you reach new heights. These are the people who will push you to be your best self. They will hold you accountable and motivate you to keep going, even when the going gets tough. Now, I'm not saying you have to cut off all your old friends. It's about finding a balance and being selective about who you spend the most time with. But you do need to be mindful of the energy you allow into your life. Protect your mental and emotional well-being by choosing to be around positive influences. Distance yourself from toxic relationships that drain your energy and hold you back. It's okay to set boundaries and prioritize your own growth. Seek out mentors, coaches, and friends who are already living the life you desire. Learn from their experiences and let their success inspire you. Their energy, their mindset, and their belief in you will be contagious. You'll find yourself adopting their habits and attitudes, which will propel you forward. Remember, you become who you spend your time with. Your circle can either lift you up or bring you down. So, choose your circle wisely. Be intentional about the relationships you cultivate. Surround yourself with people who inspire you, support you, and challenge you to reach your full potential. Your future self will thank you for it. Chapter 3. The way you start your day sets the tone for everything that follows. Your morning routine can be a powerful tool to shape your entire day. If you wake up feeling stressed, rushed, and overwhelmed, chances are the rest of your day will follow suit. This chaotic start can lead to a domino effect, impacting your productivity and mood. But if you start your day with intention, with purpose, and with energy, you'll be amazed at how much more productive, positive, and fulfilled you feel. A mindful morning can set a positive tone for the rest of your day. So ditch the snooze button and commit to owning your mornings. Embrace the early hours as a time to set the stage for success. Start by waking up an hour earlier than usual. This extra time can be a game changer. Use this time for yourself, for your personal growth, and for setting your intentions for the day. Engage in activities that nourish your mind and body. Avoid checking your phone or emails first thing in the morning. This can wait until you've centered yourself. Instead, prime your mind and body with activities that energize and inspire you. Physical exercise can be a great way to start. Go for a run, meditate, read an inspiring book, or engage in any activity that brings you joy and clarity. Or listen to an uplifting podcast. Choose content that motivates and uplifts you. Fuel your body with a healthy breakfast and hydrate properly. Nutrition plays a crucial role in how you feel throughout the day. Then, take a few minutes to plan your day. Review your goals, prioritize your tasks, and visualize your success, and set yourself up for success. A clear plan can help you stay focused and productive. Remember, how you spend your morning is how you spend your life. So make it count. Embrace the power of a well-crafted morning routine to transform your days and ultimately, your life. Chapter 4. You can't improve what you don't measure. If you want to transform your life, you need to start tracking your progress. This means paying attention to your habits, your time, your money, and even your thoughts. Start by tracking your daily habits. What are you doing consistently that's moving you closer to your goals? What are you doing that's holding you back? Once you're aware of your habits, you can start to change them. Next, track your time. Where are you spending your most precious resource? Are you using it wisely, or are you wasting it on distractions and unproductive activities? Time management is crucial for success. Track your finances. Where is your money going? Are you living within your means, or are you drowning in debt? Take control of your finances and start building a solid foundation for your future. Finally, track your thoughts. What are you focusing on most of the time? Are your thoughts positive and empowering, or are they negative and self-limiting? Your thoughts create your reality, so choose them wisely. Chapter 5. We all have excuses. We all have those days when we don't feel like showing up, when we'd rather hit the snooze button or stay in our comfort zone. But here's the thing. Successful people don't let their feelings dictate their actions. They don't negotiate with excuses. They understand that discipline is about doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. So, stop making excuses and start holding yourself accountable. When you make a commitment, stick to it. When you set a goal, go after it with everything you've got. Don't let fear, doubt, or laziness hold you back. Remember, you are capable of amazing things, but you'll never achieve your full potential if you keep letting excuses run your life. So, make a decision today to stop negotiating with your excuses and start showing up as the best version of yourself every single day, no matter what. Outro. Listen, transforming your life in 6 months won't be easy. It will require hard work, dedication, and a willingness to push beyond your comfort zone, but I promise you it will be worth it. The feeling of accomplishment, the pride in knowing you took control of your life and made it happen, is priceless. So, embrace the challenge. Embrace the journey, and never, ever give up on yourself. You've got this. Remember, every step counts. Now go out there and create the life of your dreams.